Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Telegram code if it's not sending on your iPhone. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and verify that the country code and phone number are perfectly correct, okay? So that you'll receive a verification code. Now, if the country code entered and the phone number entered is correct, but you still doesn't receive any code, well, follow these steps, okay? Go ahead over to settings first, or the settings app. Then in here, let's go ahead over to messages, okay? Under apps, find iMessage or messages right here. So just tap on it, and then here, go ahead and scroll all the way down, okay? And whenever you see filter unknown senders, okay, turn this off. All right. Again, turn filter unknown senders off. Now go ahead and go to the top, make sure that iMessage is turned on, okay? You can just go ahead and try to toggle it off and on, and just wait for it to refresh. Okay, you'll have a send and receive right here. Just wait for it to refresh. And after that, go ahead and try to log in and check to see if you now have a verification code. If not, go ahead and check your control center right here. Make sure that do not disturb is disabled, okay? If do not disturb still won't work, go ahead over to settings once more. Now in this section, go ahead and find general. Tap on it. Now tap on, at the very bottom, you have transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it. Now tap on reset right here. Now this time, go ahead and select the option, reset network settings. Okay, I'm not going to do it because I'm currently mirroring. So enter your passcode and then just wait for the parts to finish. And after that, go ahead and retry to log in and check if it helps. All right. Now, if that still won't work, go ahead over to settings once more. Now go ahead over to general. Now under general, go to iPhone storage. And here, just go ahead and find Telegram. Okay. So for example, this one is a Telegram right here. Just tap on it. Now go ahead and tap on offload data. Okay. And after that, it will ask you to update the app. So just go ahead and tap on update. And once done, go ahead and test it out. And you should now receive your Telegram code. That is how you fix Telegram code if it's not sending on iPhone. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.